Love this car. Figured I'd just give you guys a look at it. Twin turbo, so it's a C2S, so it's a wide body. But the owner had a twin turbo motor built for it. There's some pretty wicked turbos. Everything's just clean, well done. We just changed the oil on it. Really nice car. A couple of the neat things about this, check out these headers. These things are just massive. Just nasty with that collector. Feeding those little turbos. Call them little, but they make a boatload of power. Very nice lower valve covers. Polished exhaust. I love working on this car.